in real life, I would say handling the mood swings of the teenagers for sure. No two ways about it. But in real life, I think I think it's about a mother's protective instinct that is raised when you see that your child is threatened, and that's something that I think is a base instinct in everybody, every parent across the globe. I wouldn't say that it only belongs to mothers everywhere. It belongs to everyone everywhere, every parent everywhere. Whenever you see that there is something that is going to hurt your child or harm your child in any which way, you automatically feel the need to that अंदरूनी शक्ति निकलती है और सडनली आप सुपर वुमन बन जाते हो. कुछ अजीब सा ये बदलाव आ जाता है आप में. तो कहानी जो है, द स्टोरी इज अबाउट evil versus faith, and that is the crux of the film basically. I said yes to the project based on the fact that it was a story. It's one of my favorite stories actually, of Kalima and Rakta Beej. So what would happen if it came into today's day and time? What would be the result of it? And I said yes on that basis, but then it became a horror later. And so yeah, that's how I accepted the film. The horror came later, but the story, the script, all of the way we put it together, all of that came first. I think that there is a huge tradition in our country of, I wouldn't call them myths so much as an oral culture, really. So it's storytelling is a huge part of our culture. तो काफ़ी कुछ चीज़ें जो है वो मतलब दादी ने सिखाई हैं माँ को, माँ अपने बच्चे को सिखाती है, ये नहीं करना चाहिए, ये नहीं करना चाहिए, अब शगुन है और ये सब है. And these are things that the ideas create, good ideas have a certain belief behind them, and that belief has its own power, as we know. So I think I think that we have a lot of all these old customs, as you call it, or rituals. They have a lot of power because we have believed in them and we continue to believe in them. नहीं बिल्कुल, आप 3 बजे सुबह उठते हो तो और ऑलरेडी आधे घंटे पहले उठ चुके हो या आधे घंटे पहले सो चुके हो, तो ज़रूर अगर भूत भी आएगा आपके सामने तो आप डेफिनेटली मतलब हो गया, प्लीज़ 2 मिनट रुक जा, 2 मिनट रुक जा, ये पैम्पर चेंज कर लूँ फिर तू आना. मेरे पास टाइम नहीं है अभी. I think as a parent, yes, you have to protect them, and but my children are much older now. My children are not so small. मैंने काफ़ी सीख पढ़ा दी है उनको, तो अभी मुझे अपना कहीं ना कहीं अपने परवरिश पे भी भरोसा करना पड़ेगा कि देखो मैंने इतनी देर तक सिखा दिया है, अभी अब वक्त आ गया है आपको अपने ये लेसन को टू लर्न योर लेसन एंड टू प्रैक्टिस इट नाउ. एंड द ओनली थिंग दैट यू कैन डू एज अ पेरेंट, एज फॉर teenagers, I would say, is to listen to them and to just sit down and listen to them. Sometimes just listening to them makes them also see your point of view and makes you also see their point of view. So I'll go so far as to say the first day that the child is born in this world is the first day that the mother is born in the world as well. So it's her first day as a mother, as well as the child's first day on earth. And that's something that maybe nobody realizes or gives enough weightage to. She's stumbling through and doing her best. And at the same time, moms have to show the world that they know that what they're doing, that they understand everything, and especially for their children. I think the way children look up to their moms is like, she is a god, and you have to become a god for that. You have to do the superhuman things like not sleeping for 6 months and doing all the things that you need to do and still have a happy face, feed them, run after them whether your back is hurting or not hurting, and be able to pick them up regardless of whether you can carry them or not. All of that. So yeah, you have to be Superman for that, Superwoman for that. And so I think all mothers are gain the characteristics of a superwoman.